Und auf geht's! Also im letzten Teil, da hat er gesagt, wir sind jetzt auf definitiv in die linke Tür gehen, aber ich bin in die rechte gegangen. Danach bin ich dann doch in die linke gegangen, also rechte weitergegangen ist und dann habe ich es kaputt gemacht. Jetzt ist die Frage, wenn ich nochmal in die rechte Tür gehe, muss ich genau nochmal dasselbe? Es gibt nur eine Art, das rauszufinden!
No! Why did you do that? Quickly, hurry. Is behaving exactly as Stanley would. That means choosing responsibly and always putting the story first.
Ich versteh's, ja, okay, gut, alles klar, gut, okay, ja, okay, ja.
Stanley came to a set of 2 open doors. He entered the door on his left.
Gut, ich gehe jetzt in die linke Tür, Mr. Erzähler. Heidi Tutsch. Ha. Ah!
Yet there was not a single person here either. Feeling a wave of disbelief, Stanley decided to go up to his boss's office, hoping he might find an answer there.
Oh. Oh, da, okay. Broom closet.
Coming to a staircase, Stanley walked upstairs to his boss's office.
Hey, Chef! Chefi! Captain der Captains! Oh! Oh! Hier schön! Hallo! Oh! Oh!
Stepping inside his manager's office, Stanley was once again stunned to discover not an indication of any human life. Shocked, unraveled, Stanley wondered in disbelief who orchestrated this, until he saw the door with a voice receiver next to it. Surely behind this door lay all the answers to his questions. And beyond all probability, he knew the passcode. He had seen it on his boss's computer just last week. Night Shark 115. Was this the code to open the door? Would it still work? There was only one way to find out. Stanley had been trained never to speak up, but now he would draw from within himself the courage to face the unknown. He drew a sharp breath and then spoke the code.
Night Shark 115. Hallo?
Stanley spoke the code. Night Shark 115. He spoke it into the receiver, right there on the wall.
Nachthai 115. Hallo?
Sorry, is there a problem? You didn't mishear me, did you? Please speak the code into the receiver. Otherwise we can't get on with the story. This is a crucial step.
Okay. Night Shark!
Okay, fine, you're not gonna do it, but you know what? It's pretty humiliating to bring you this far, only for you to suddenly decide you have better things to do. I asked you for this one single thing, for your respect. The kind of respect Stanley shows for his choices. He knows what it means to take a story seriously. If you didn't want to see what I had to show you, then why did you come here? You had a choice, you know. You could have gone through the door on the right. You could have done whatever the hell you wanted over there. Why did you come this way? Speak. Say something to me. Explain yourself, you coward. When Stanley came to a set of 2 open doors, he entered the door on his left. Stanley? Hello? Are you... Is everything okay? Stanley, please. I need you to make a choice. I need you to walk through the door. Are you listening to me? Can you hear me? Is everything all right? Stanley, this is important. The story needs you. It needs you to make a decision. It cannot exist without you. Do you understand me? Whatever choice you make is just fine. They're both correct. You cannot be wrong here. We can work together. I'll accept whatever you do. I simply need you to take that step forward, please. Choose.
do something? Anything? This is more important than you can ever know. I need this. The story needs it.
Huh?
So, you hear me?
What?
Are you there? Are you listening to this? Stanley, are you there? Okay.
Huh?
It's okay, I can wait. You need time to decide. Time to make sure your choice is correct. That is the best choice. That's all right. I'll wait for you to decide what's the right thing to do. Take as much time as you need.
Hä? War's das? War's das? War das jetzt der End? Wow, das war... Ja, bis jetzt.
You could have done whatever the hell
Oh.
you wanted over there.
Nein! Ah, goddammit!
Say something to me. Explain yourself, you...
Okay. Das war seltsam. Seltsam. Okay. Okay, ja, ich bin mir sicher. Ja. Vielleicht ist das Spiel nur ganz scheiß kurz, aber dadurch, dass man so viel Entscheidungsfreiheit hat, wird's dann länger. Wisst was, Burschn? Das probieren wir jetzt gleich aus. Spielen wir es kleiner mal. Diesmal kann man es auch skippen. Gut.
All of his co-workers were gone.
Gut.
What could it mean?
Also ich das Tier jetzt mal zu bin so einer, aber nur um zum schauen, was passiert, machen wir diesmal extrem alles, was er sagt.
When Stanley came to a set of 2 open doors, he
Good.
entered the door on his left.
Ja, Mama. Wo ist wieder der Konferenzraum?
Yet there was not a single person here either. Feeling
Ja.
a wave of disbelief, Stanley decided to go up to his boss's office, hoping he might find an answer there.
Bis jetzt ist alles so wie vorher. Huh?
Coming to a staircase, Stanley walked upstairs to his boss's office.
Aber jetzt kann ich ja runtergehen. Ist ja... Nein! Ich hab gesagt, ich mach's jetzt diesmal alles so, was er will. Nur um zu sehen, was dann passiert. Schauen wir. Muss ich mir merken. Hallo, Boss! Oh. Executive Bathroom. Ich bin mir irgendwie sicher, dass es da vorhin nicht, oder? Das sieht anders aus. Okay.
Stepping into his manager's office, Stanley was once again stunned to discover not an indication of any human life. Shocked, unraveled, Stanley wondered in disbelief who orchestrated this. What dark secret was being held from him? What he could not have known was that the keypad behind the boss's desk guarded the terrible truth that his boss had been keeping from him. And so the boss had assigned it an extra secret PIN number. 2845.
Okay.
But of course, yet incredibly, by simply pushing random buttons on the keypad, Stanley happened to input the correct code by sheer luck. Amazing.
Amazing!
Newly opened passageway.
Oh. Okay. Oh shit. Ich hab Angst. Ich hab Angst. Meine 6. Oh.
Descending deeper into the building, Stanley realized he felt a bit peculiar. It was a stirring of emotion in his chest, as though he felt more free to think for himself, to question the nature of his job. Why did he feel this now, when for years it had never occurred to him? This question would not go unanswered for long.
Ciao, Max. Teil 3.